Hello and welcome to my presentation. So I'm going to present to you the work that I did for the for the assignment about drawing uh, the triangle and the Sierpinski triangle, and demonstrating how Greiner Hormann clipping algorithm works. So this is the code. As you can see it, we have been given the assignment to read on Greiner Hormann clipping algorithm and illustrate how in two dimensions, in 2D, how the Greiner Hormann clipping algorithm works. So um, it can be used to clip. So in this case, the assignment has two parts. The first part is drawing it's called the Sierpinski Triangle. Then the second part to illustrate how it's clipped. So there are two parts, and I was required to use Blender and OpenGL to draw the triangle and demonstrate all this. So this is the first code, and it it's a C++ code with OpenGL, and it shows how the triangle is drawn. So the code, let me take you through the code. So the first part. This is the code such that okay, the triangle is drawn through a recursive function, and as you can see, this is the base case right here. This is the base case when the depth is 0, before the first iteration of the recursion begins. So these are the this is the part that draws the triangle, the first part, and okay, it sets the color of the triangle to blue. So after that, then there's going to be a recursive case. This is the base case, right? Then no, this is the base case for the recursion. Sorry, this is the base case for the recursion. So it's going to draw the triangle, and up to this point now we then have the next part, where we're still going to use recursion to calculate the midpoints of the triangle. So after we've drawn the first triangle, then we need to draw the midpoint of the of the triangle, so that you can draw the smaller triangles within the larger triangles. So this is the part that calculates the midpoint of the triangles. Then we have the recursively draw the smaller triangles at center at the midpoint. So this is the part of the code that does that, and then we have the part that displays function. So after it has drawn, now we first clear the screen if there was an initial triangle is cleared, so that we at the display point. So we first clear the screen so that we can draw our image, the current image. So like you can see in the code, this draw the initial large triangle. So this is the code, and the initialization function is here for the code for C++, where we set the background color, and we determine the projection mode for the whole for the project. Then this is the main function, right? So this one is the one that allows us to visualize and see the triangle, like you can see. So my code, let me just show you. We're going to start. I developed a makefile, and that's the one we're going to use to run the code. And let me just a minute. So this is the terminal, and yeah, yes, I'm sorry, my laptop has some technical issues there, but I believe it will still work. So yeah. So this is the terminal, and I'm just going to run the makefile so that you can see the output. There you see. So through recursion, we're going to see. Yeah, there. So this is the triangle. As you can see, we have the outer dimensions of the triangle. Then through recursions, we have smaller triangles that are in here. So we are supposed to use Greiner Hormann clipping algorithm so that we can clip this triangle, and we can clip the triangle. So, so this is the initial part, and the initial part of the question where we use OpenGL to draw the triangle. So the next part was we're supposed to use Blender to draw the same triangle, the Sierpinski Triangle. That was a bit challenging, and I kind of had challenges trying to find a way of writing a Python a script for drawing uh, images in 2D in Blender. The kind of versions we were having, they didn't support that, and yeah. So uh, moving on to the next part where we're supposed to illustrate how Greiner Hormann clipping algorithm works.